Hello friends and welcome again to this video. Today I will show you how to log in Public Bank Berhad. So guys, click the first result and click this one, Public Bank Berhad. As you can see on the screen guys, you see this bank and click login, just login option. For example, this one, just a way to loading this page guys. As you can see here on I am in the URL of login page. So guys, just a way to loading this page installing, and please wait. So guys, you should be logging with your user ID and make sure that have to avoid any of any victim scam. Click your ID and click next. After that, write your password if you have any password. For example, this my ID. Click next, and you should be have not a space on your ID, and then complete the steps to log in and write your personal phrase correct. Is your personal login. If you this name real, click yes and continue the steps. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.